Hey everyone, Chris with Collier. We're looking at a 3840 LRK Sprinter 2026 that just came in. In my opinion, Sprinter is the best kept secret in the RV industry. Built in the same plant as Montana, 20,000 less than most of its competitors. Very good floor plans, wide body design. So let's go inside, check out what it's got. Check this out. I apologize, I wasn't close enough to power, but this is the floor plan that is selling like crazy. It seems like any brand we get right now, people are buying this floor plan. People love having the extra counter space, all the storage while still getting a great living room. All right, so nice tall slide outs. Notice the way they do the slides, you don't get the putty marks, you don't get the staples. Really looks good. Power recliners on here. Well, not power recliners, manual recliners, but you have power for phone charging in the center. 2 cup holders. There's your desk area. You have the power tower, pop-up outlet. Really attractive 2-door fridge. Incredible amount of counter space. Incredible amount of storage. I like that they upgrade the microwave and the oven to get the glass door. Just looks really good. But yeah, the storage is incredible. And you know, with a wide body design versus some of the competitors, you're going to see just deeper drawers. Because there's more space. There's 102 inches versus 96 on the competitors, which doesn't seem like a lot, but it really changes. It really changes, makes you get deeper drawers and just more floor space. There's your couch. They found the biggest TV they could find, put that in here. They do this really interesting, kind of trippy fireplace that I really like. Kind of like a smoke feel to it and reflective and everything. All right. Okay, so let's check out the bedroom and the bathroom. Actually, yeah, let's check out the mudroom first. All right, so this is right when you step in the door, straight ahead. So you have this mudroom. So you can use this in a variety of ways, but you have a bathroom in here, right? So you can just use it traditionally as a bathroom. If it were me and I had the money, you know, I'd put in a washer dryer because this is just great to actually have space, keep it out of the bedroom and everything. And then there's a work area, there's additional storage. I mean, so there's so much you can do in here. There is an exhaust fan as well, which is a nice little upgrade to this room. And otherwise, if you're not using it, you just have a sliding pocket door. Close it off. All right, in the bedroom, you have the RV King. There's flip up nightstands on each end, windows on each end. Really attractive sliding door for privacy. Again, I love how they do these fascias. You don't see any staples or anything. Okay, this does have 2 air conditioners on here. All right, let's go into the front bathroom. All right. So giant shower. And then on the other end, huge mirror, dual vanity, tons of storage underneath. And then this is, I love this floor plan because it's like, but wait, there's more, you know, right? When you think the 5th wheel is going to end, there's more. So we'll turn around, we'll check this out. If my gimbal will cooperate, there we go. Come on, come on, come on. All right, so huge front closet. Walk-in front closet. Check that out. And then they even put a little mirror in like a little workstation too. So just lots of really nice innovations. Again, the wide body design, full profile, 2 airs, really all the, just so many nice upgrades. So anyways, let's do a quick run through on the exterior of the Sprinter, and then please let me know what you think in the comments. If there's anything you'd change, if you like it, if you don't like it. I'm trying to drive engagement, right? So anyways, please comment if you have anything to say. Thanks. Okay, we're gonna take a quick walk around the Sprinter. You see the new graphic for Sprinter, the new symbol for Keystone. They're trying to do a rebrand, so you know it's not just a Sprinter, but it's a Keystone. Keystone's still #1 in towables. Really great company. Back-end parts service, very good. Okay, so your storage compartment, you see you have the magnetic holdbacks, you got the slam latch, you got a thicker insulated door. You have a really impressive pass-through storage. Looks like there is heat in here. You see all the aluminum framing. Again, I can't stress enough how important it is that they're built in the same plant as Montana, which has been kind of the gold standard of fifth wheels, because they're going to have all that same construction and they're going to share so many similarities. Only thing, there's just a few less bells and whistles to get the price down. Outlet out here. I like this in the world of flip up steps. You know, they're all good to have, but this is nice. I just think it's easier to keep clean. And then I never even took into account, but somebody was telling me, this is a 33% wider entry step, because this is kind of your pivot point right on the top. So that is nice to have as well. All right, all the owner's manuals are on a QR code. This does have 220 watts of solar. This is us. We are part of Priority RV if you want to look either of those things up. Big grab handle, nice big wheels and tires, Maxxis baby. All right, and those are 8-lug wheels, so this is this is equipped correctly for the size of fifth wheel. You have auto level on here. I like to Sprinter's not skimping that you still get that second awning. That drives me crazy when they save $500 by not putting a second awning on. Because if your campsite's there, right, you'd like to have the awning. All right, here's your hitch receiver. You are pre-wired for backup and also for roof ladder as well. All right, and then looking underneath, if I can try to do that, a couple other nice things you get because of, again, being in that Montana plant. That's your fresh water drain. That's a 1 inch, so if you've ever drained a freshwater tank, they can take forever when they just have a ½ inch or so. Also, see just how beefy the leaf springs and everything are. You're fully enclosed. This is like a tough material underneath here. Okay, cool. So cable slides all the way around. Your tankless water heater. I forgot to unlock this, and it's locked, but this is going to be your water compartment. All right, here you are. And then as far as weights, so this is 12.8 empty. You have 7,000 pound axles. You actually have a GVWR, which is the max this trailer should ever be, of 16,300 pounds. So if my math is correct, I believe that's 3,500 pounds of carrying capacity, which is very, very good. Separate compartment on your auto level controls, not built into the storage compartment, so that you can actually see the truck when you're leveling, which is important. All right, so there's gonna be more storage underneath there, and then there's a spare tire. So, and then road armor pin box. All right, there you are, 3840 Keystone Sprinter. Give us a call if you need anything. Thanks.